Have you ever wondered why we feel more tired, slower, and less focused as we age? It's not just stress. It's your cells running low on a key molecule called NAD+. NAD+ levels naturally decline as we get older. But here's the good news. NMN, or Nicotinamide Mononucleotide, that helps your body restore NAD+ levels, powering your cells, boosting your energy, and supporting healthy aging from the inside out. Studies show that NMN may support enhanced energy and stamina, improved focus and brain function, better metabolism and weight control, healthier cardiovascular function, even DNA repair at the cellular level. Imagine waking up refreshed, staying sharp all day, and feeling like yourself again, no matter your age. That's the power of NMN. Meet Nutridom NMN. It isn't just a supplement. It's your body's reset button for youth, vitality, and long-term wellness. Formulated in Canada, Nutridom NMN is lab-tested, ultra-pure, and designed for maximum absorption. Don't wait for aging to slow you down. Reclaim your energy. Restore your youth. Try Nutridom NMN today.